Alright guys, now it's lunchtime, so time to make the pasta. So, boil 6 ounces of water, add all the ingredients into the pot, cook on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes, stir occasionally, turn off heat, cover for 3 minutes, and enjoy. Some facts right there for you guys. Make sure you remove the oxygen absorber from the pack. So this you want to remove. Do not forget to remove this. Alright guys, this is the Alfredo and it turned out amazing. We're going to have to taste test it, but right now we're going to pour some Parmesan on it. Delicious. Alright guys, so we're about to taste test this Alfredo. I'm trying to do this so I don't spill it. Well, that's a big spoonful. That is good. I like that a lot. Chicken's tasty. Noodles, the seasoning. Not too much mushrooms, but enough. Overall, that is good, guys.